Hello, good morning to all. Can you hear me?
Morning, sir.
Very good morning. Very good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Ezekiel, Anna, Abigail, Jehoan, everyone. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Can you hear me? Yes, good morning.
Good
Good
morning.
morning. Very good morning. Ezekiel, good morning. Canada camera, everyone. Anna, good morning. Today in science, we will have quiz. In maths, we will have new chapter, which is construction. So I believe that you bring all compass, scale, protector, that D, everything with you. Yes? Abigail, you got that? No? Why? Forgot?
Forgot, sir.
Okay. Ezekiel, so is it near you? You can bring it. I'm just starting class in 2 minutes. Okay. Ezekiel, you bought that? Compass and all?
Yes, I'm getting it.
Quickly bring all this in. Jehoan, you got that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You join. Guys, I need. What's the chapter number, please? Can you tell me?
18.
Okay. So construction. What do you mean by construction? Do you guys have any idea about construction? What is the meaning of construction? Anybody? Please tell me. Turn on your mic and camera also, please. Yeah. So what do you mean by construction? Hello? That's what.
Building something like making shape.
Yeah, means basically we are you use instrument geographic box, okay, to uh, to know like how the things will go. Okay. Like construction, we will use the compass, pencil, scale, all these things to draw the given figure. So first of all, the rule for the construction is first is always read questions carefully. The first rule is always read the question carefully. Okay. Second rule is always make the rough diagram before attending. Like before attending the question, the rough diagram is must, and this is very important point. Like if the question is saying that draw the triangle ABC of this size. So first of all, you have to draw the rough diagram. The rough diagram no need to be drawn with the help of scale. The rough diagram should be the normal. You are making triangle, name them, write the sides, like whatever the information is given. So the rough diagram is very important. I always do this. Otherwise, in my test, I will deduct your mark if you will not draw the rough diagram. And for the test information, today is the last day of submission. Please submit your test before 12 a.m. Okay. Otherwise, it's gonna be Happy New Year in your house. I mean, I will tell that there's no submission of the test, so Mama will take the firecrackers and they will firecrackers and Happy New Year. Everything will go on. Okay. Okay. So always make the rough diagram before attending the question. Okay. Before attending, if you should draw the rough diagram. Okay. Whatever the information is given. Third point is okay, you guys like you guys have these types of thing, no? Like just give me a second. Like these lines you have, no, in your copy. You are using ruler book, no? Okay. So when you're using ruler book, try to make lines over the this thing. Like if you're making like triangle and if you're making base, the line should be over the ruler. It shouldn't be like this. If you're making like this, it's wrong. Okay, this is wrong. Try to make your line. Oh, like you got it now. Like you have to draw the line over the line. Okay, don't make the line in between it because it looks messy. Okay, understood, guys? These are the common mistake that you guys do. Fourth one is try to your compass should be uh, tight enough. Tight enough means if it is very loose, na, so you will see a compass will have screw or nut. Try to tight that thing. Okay. Can you show me the compass? I didn't have compass here. Can you show me compass, Ezekiel? Yeah. Yeah. So if you can see that there is the V shape is joint is there. So try to tight that compass so that while drawing a circle or while making an arc, the it shouldn't be disturbed because it will create a error in the answer. Okay. And pencil pencil of pencil in compass should be less than compass height. So what does this mean? This means that like you're inserting a pencil, okay? You're inserting a pencil in the compass. The pencil height should be less than the height of the compass. It doesn't mean that you're using new pencil in the compass. No, it's not. It's wrong. Why it's wrong? Because it also creates some error. Okay. So care with handle. So your pencil height should be less than the compass height. Understood? Yes or no? Got it? No. Turn your camera, Hannah.
Sir, is it okay if it's 1 centimeter less than the compass height?
It's not necessary that 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, but remember this thing that your compass pencil should be less than the compass height. Okay, this is the main thing. If it is this much small, it's okay. It's your choice. Okay, you should have two pencils with you. One is for the compass and one is for the making lines, like with the help of ruler and all. Okay, and one more. It's there. I forgot. Yeah. Okay. How to put a pencil in the compass? So, for example, if you put your compass on the floor like this, and when you're putting pencil, the pencil tip and the compass tip should merge while setting a pencil in the compass. When you're putting pencil into the compass, the tip of the compass and the tip of the pencil should merge, like they should touch the floor equally. Okay, it doesn't mean that pencil is half up and the tip of the compass is there. No, it should both are equal, touching the ground. Understood? Now adjust your compass, Kubi. Quickly adjust your compass. Put your pencil in the compass right now. Done. Now write these points also. Quickly write this point.
Which point, sir?
The diagram, the points which I wrote on the board. One, two, three. Okay. Now the first question begins. Okay. First construction is you have to draw the line segment internally in a given ratio. Okay. And the question number one is draw a line segment AB and you are required to divide it internally in the ratio of 2 is to 3. And we go through the following steps. Like we will follow the following steps. Okay. Now, first of all, you have, as I told you, you have to draw the diagram. So, for example, this is a line segment AB. I'm not using any ruler. I'm just making with the pencil with hand only. Okay. And because you have to divide it into 2 is to 3 ratio, so this might be a point P, which is creating 2 is to 3 ratio. Understood? Yes or no? Okay, I make the rough diagram. Understood, guys? Yes or no? Everyone, pay attention on the board only. Okay, don't see here and there. Now I will use a ruler. So I'm taking a ruler, and I, because there is no mention of the that you should take this much and you should take this much. So I'm taking any line segment. Okay, and yeah, one more thing. If your diagram should be big enough. Okay, I mean, right now there is no measurement is given, and if you make a small diagram, then it will become a very hodgepodge. Okay, and it should look like very messy. Okay, so because we love Ronaldo, so you need to be the diagram should be big enough. Understood? Yes or no? Okay. So I'll make it again with the blue pen. This is my line segments AB. I'll name them first A and B. Everyone draw this. Quickly draw this. Step by step we will do it. Quickly draw this. Any line segment, it should be on the line. Okay. And if it is big enough, then it's okay. Now, second step is you have to draw any acute angle. You know acute angle. What is acute angle? Can you tell me? Anybody unmute your mic and say what is acute angle? What is
An,
acute
a-
angle?
an angle less than 90 degree.
90 degree. Okay. So you can draw any acute angle from A. So like for example, I am drawing an acute angle from A like this. So you can draw any acute angle, not necessarily the 30 degree, 40 degree, 50 degree, any acute angle. So I'm taking an acute angle. So quickly draw it. Quickly draw this line. Any acute angle. Ezekiel, you didn't understand? Now, done? Everyone done? Give me a thumbs up if you're done. Now open your compass. Open your compass. Now open a little compass, not more big enough. Open like I mean just this much. For example, if you open the compass, it's gonna be look like this. Like if you will put a tip here, quickly everyone, put a tip here, open a little compass. How much you're opening it? Everyone show me. Everyone remove your background, and I want to see how much. Okay, okay. Anna, it's too big. Anna, little down. Little down, Abigail. Little less. I mean, yeah, it's correct. Abigail correct. Okay, Anna perfect. Abigail also perfect. Okay. Now listen, guys. Now, 2:3 is given. Okay, how much is given? 2:3 is given. Now 2:3 is given. So it means that because the ratio is 2:3, it means that total five parts I have to make. How many parts I have to make? Total five parts I have to make on the green line. This green line I have to make five parts. So just open a little compass, put a tip, tip on A, and then make an arc like this. Understood? Yes or no? Ezekiel, did you understand? Hmm? And name it as A1. Now, without disturbing a compass, put the tip on A1 without disturbing a compass. Your compass shouldn't be disturbed. And then make again arc like this. Now, again, without disturbing the compass, put your compass on this point and make an arc again. Now, again, without disturbing the compass, put your point here because we have to make five arcs. How many five arcs? We have to make five arcs. So like this, make five arcs. Like this is four, and this is five. Done. Now name this as A2, A3, A4, A5. Done. Okay. Now you have to join. Now you have to join A5 and B. Join A5 MP. Done, guys? Still any problem? Ezekiel, are you with me? No. Are you lagging behind?
No, I'm with you, sir.
Jehoan? Jehoan?
I've finished it, sir.
Very good. Good one. Okay. Now you can disturb your compass. Okay. Now no need to be at the same place. Now put your tip on A5. Put your tip on A5 quickly. Open a little compass and make an arc like this. Okay. Done. Now because how much ratio they ask? They ask 2:3. Na? Now put your compass on 2. A2. And without disturbing the compass. Okay. You don't have to disturb the compass. Understood? Without disturbing the compass, put your compass on A2 and make an arc like this. On A2, I'm saying, okay? Put in compass on A2 and make an arc like this. Now, here, when you put in compass on A5, when you make this arc, you got 2 points. Name them as M and N. When you put a compass on A5 and you make this arc, you got 2 points, name them M, and this point as N. I will make it L. Now measure Mn. In your diagram, measure Mn.
Sir,
Measure Mn. Like, yes?
when I made an arc after keeping a compass on A2, it ended up intersecting AB also.
It's okay. It's okay. No problem. No problem. Now put your compass on N and pencil tip on M. So it means that you're measuring it. You should have measured with the ruler. Okay. How you measure it? Okay, put your compass tip on N and pencil tip on M. Now don't disturb that, okay? When you're making it, you don't have to disturb it. Understood, guys? Yes or no? Now put on this line, like on this A line, no? This line, okay, wherever the line is cutting, you have to put name as P and put your tip of the compass on P, like this. Here. Understood? When
Can you
you make an arc, no? Sorry.
can you say again where we should keep the compass?
See, you made the arc on A2 when you put in and you make an arc. It should cut the line A also. So
Yeah.
wherever the line you cut the A, name as a P.
So mine didn't cut A1.
No, it's okay. It shouldn't be A1. Like it's a coincidence with me. It's coming on A1. Otherwise, it's okay. It can be at any place, but it should cut this line, this green line. That's important. Now you measure the MN. Na? Now without disturbing the compass, put a tip compass on P and cut this red line. Name is at O. Again, I'm saying put a compass on P, cut a line on the red line, which you make an arc with the help of A2, and make it an O, and then join this A2, O, and line segment with the help of ruler, like this.
So should O be inside the triangle or outside?
It's okay anywhere, no problem in that.
Now this like this, right?
Sorry.
Now AB.
Your headphone is not working. Can you remove that and can you tell me again?
So two line.
I didn't hear anything.
You have to connect O with the line AB, right?
Yeah. So you have to join A2, O, and on AB and name at C. Now show your diagram, everyone. Everyone, show your diagram. Okay, Hannah, good, correct. No problem with that.
Sir, I'm still doing my
Sure.
diagram.
Okay, correct. Correct. As for Hannah. Okay, Abigail, join the A2 and O line.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay, correct. Correct, Juan. If you can quickly do it, I'm waiting for you. Now, guys, we have to measure the AC and CB. You have to measure what? AC and CB. Like, whatever the answer you're getting, okay, tell me that. Like, for example, I'll write it down here. Like, Hannah is getting AC and CB. This is Hannah. And Hannah. This is then one. And AC. Could you measure it? So, Hannah, how much you got AC?
3.7 centimeters.
Sorry, how much?
3.7 centimeters.
3.7. How much you get
Sir, is
CB?
AC from A2 to C?
Yeah, yes.
Other
And
one is
CB, Hannah?
6.8.
Sorry?
6.8.
6.8. Okay. So why I'm telling it to you? Okay, first I will write everyone answers. Okay. A for Hannah, how much you're getting?
For AC, I got 3.5 and CB is 5.5.
Okay. Next. Begin. I didn't hear. Okay, you're mentioning it. Okay, Jahuan, tell me yours.
AC was 4.5 and CB was 7.
Good. Okay. Ezekiel, yours.
Sir, AC has 5 and CB has 6.5.
Can you show me your diagram?
Kind of messy, but I'll show you.
It's
Like, it's
okay.
done
It's
very
okay.
lightly with pencil, that's why.
It's okay. It's okay. Remove blurred background. Okay, correct. So, Abigail, you got the measurement.
Yeah, sir. 80 is 2.65.
And CB,
Sir, where exactly is B?
कितना?
D.
CB कितना है? Sorry, say it again.
Okay. I wrote it as CD and not CB.
Yeah, CB. This CB is how much?
CB is 4.3.
4.2. Okay. Okay. Why I'm telling it to you? because like if I will divide 2 by 3, no, if I will divide 2 by 3, because 2 is to 3 ratio they ask, if I will divide it, I will get answer as 0.67. Okay. And if I will divide your ratio, your measurement, no, if it is coming near 0.67, it means that you did a correct. Good job. Understood? Yes or no? So I'll check one by one, and then I will check it. Okay, it's just a verification part. Okay, it's not necessary that you have to be exam correct. Just this is a necessary part, like the concept which I want to give, that your ratio should be. If you will divide your line segment, which you found, it should be 0.67. It's not necessary that in your exam you have to draw it and you have to show it again and again to the. I mean, is it correct? And then you have to erase it like this. Understood? Yes or no? So for Hannah, Hannah got answer as 0.54, which is okay, acceptable. But some mistakes might be used. Okay. Uh, A for Anna. Anna got 0.63. Okay, near to the excellence. Okay. Everyone turn on the camera, please. Then Abigail got 0.61. Oh, good, good try. Okay. Jahoan, Jahoan got 0.64. Very good. Second near to that. Ezekiel, Ezekiel got 0.76. So Ezekiel, it can be better. So the perfect is Jehoan. Okay? Jehoan won. Okay. So did you understand how to draw this? Shall I give one more question?
Can you do like
Okay.
one more question, sir?
One more
Or we
question. Do
can
you
do
want
it
me to
because
do it?
we
I'll
will
give
be
it to
right.
you. I'll
Okay.
give it to you. Okay, I'll do one step by step. If you stuck somewhere else, you can check it that step. Okay. Yeah. Ashok, share that. Share that. इससे बात कर इससे बात कर Okay, now this is your question. You have to now in the previous question there is no measurement is given like line segment, but here 8 centimeter is given. So now draw this. The first step is to draw the rough diagram. Rough diagram is important. Okay. Yeah. Everyone turn on the camera. Ezekiel, turn on the camera, please. Okay, I'm doing step by step. If you didn't understand, you can see on the board. Okay.
The line that joins A7 and Q is like outwards.
Sorry, say it again.
Line A7 and Q are forming like outwards. Is it okay?
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. No problem in that.
Okay.
No problem. Ezekiel, are you getting this or not?
Yes, sir. Kind of.
Ezekiel, if you didn't understand, ask me.
Yes, sir. I'm doing it.
Any problem, ask me, Jovan. Okay.
Yes.
Yes, Abhigel, ask me.
Sir, how did we decide on point R?
So, so first we make this arc, then we measure MN. Like first we make this arc, and without disturbing the compass, we put on tip on P3, and then we make this arc called as SNT. Okay. Then we measure MN with the help of compass and the pencil. Like put a compass tip here and pencil here, and then put that point on S, and then cut like this and make it as T. And then join P3 and the T and the line segment. So the point where you will get on the line segment will be R.
Okay, sir.
Everyone got it? Okay,
Yes,
so tell me the values, everyone. Like Ezekiel, what you got?
sir, I have
PR.
one question though.
Yes,
Like we're supposed to find the line segment in the ratio 3:4, right?
3:4. Yeah.
How do we do that? I did not exactly get that.
Okay, so what you got PR? How much you got PR?
I'm confused on that part. I was like doing it.
Like, you did you measure with the ruler? Like how much you got PR? You measure it with the ruler and tell me the values. Just tell me the values, then I will tell you. And Abigail. Yes, Ezekiel, tell me the values you got.
So like, can I tell after this? Still trying to find out something.
Okay, so we'll then start with Hannah. As for Hannah, come on.
3.5 and 4.5.
2.5 and 2.5. How it can be possible?
3.5.
Okay, 3.5. 3.5 is also not possible. See, if you will add it, it should come 8.
3.5 and 4.5.
2.5 and 4.5. Did you measure it or you
Sir, I
just
have one more
subtracting it?
question.
Yes.
Like, how do you
Yes,
know
yes.
how many segments you have to put? Like, you put till 7, right? Is it
Because
like you
3 is
add
to 4. Because 3 is to 4 is given, no? So
Okay.
3 is to 4, then it will become 3.5 and 4.5. Yeah. Now, okay, this is not, this is Ezekiel. Hannah got, yes.
After you measure NM, you keep the compass on point P3 and then make the cutting.
No, you have to put point on S.
Okay.
Then you have to cut on the make it. Okay, next, A for Anna. What's your measurement, please?
3 and 4.8.
3 and 4.8. Okay, Abigail, what she's doing. Ezekiel, how much you got the point? Ezekiel, how much you got the point?
So give me 1 minute.
So actually, I think it's 3.1 and 4.8.
3.1 and 4.8. Or we have to take 4.9 because then only it will make 8
I got
centimeters.
3.2,
Like if you
sir.
will add 3.2 and I understood why I took 4.9.
Yeah, I
I'm
think I
sure,
measured
sir.
it a bit wrong.
And the
I
second one
got 5,
is
sir.
5. 5 or 4.8.
So it's like a bit after 4.5.
Yes, 4.8, nearly about 4.8. Because why I'm telling it to you, because when you will add all these figure, you should get answer as 8 because PQ is 8 centimeter. No? So PR plus RQ should equals to 8. No, so that's why when you will add it, you will get answer as 8. Okay. Abhi, Jahan, tell me your figure, please.
I got 3.5 and 4.5.
3.5. Okay, wow. Hannah and Jahan got the correct same. Now, Abigail, yours?
I got 3.5 and 4.5.
Oh, let's see who will win the contest. Okay. So because 3:4 is given, so your answer should come near 0.75. When you will divide your figures, your answer should come 0.75. So let me check who is the winner. So 3.2 divided by 4.8. So Ezekiel got 0.66. Not bad. Okay. Now, Hannah, 3.5 divided by 4.5. So she got 0.77. This is also 0.77. This is also 0.77. Either we will get three winners or either the A for Anna is the winner. Let's see. So 3.1 divided by 4.9. And the winner is again. The winner is these three: Hannah, Anna, and Jehovah. Yeah. The other gets a perfect, like not perfect, near to that. So it's correct. Okay, everyone is correct, no problem in that. But the nearest, it's considered as a winner. Okay. Nobody in your exam, nobody will check and measurement and divide it. They have to check 60 copies in one day. So if they will do, then only three copies can be checked. Okay, so nobody will check and but it should be in that proper figure. If you're getting like these type of figure, then it's correct. No problem. Okay. So we'll end the maths class and you guys have homework of 3YP 18.1. It has two questions, question number one and question number two is your homework. And then okay, then you guys have 2 minutes break and then come back. We'll start our science quiz, boys versus girls. Let's see who will win. And then bye. Have a nice day.
Bye,
Anna,
sir.
Abigail. Bye. Bye. Quickly come back 2 minutes. I'm not giving more than 2 minutes. Come back. You have to drink water. Go drink water. 2 minutes. You're not going to drink water? Ezekiel? Do revision then. 2 minutes. I will take test.
Today also.
Today also I told now. I'll take quiz.
Okay.
Okay, come back, guys. Okay, so we'll start the game. Everyone turn on the camera, please. Okay. So today no revision. I'll today is directly start the questions and rounds. Okay. Just give me a second. Let me draw the table for you. Today we will have different teams. Okay. So today the team is Jahoan and Jashron versus Hannah and Ezekiel. Okay. Today we have little different team. Okay, but you can't talk. Okay. I mean Jahoan, Jashron. If I'm asking you, like for example, I ask some questions from Jahoan. You can't whisper and tell the answer to Jashron. Otherwise, if your lips will like this, even though mama call you and say, mama, I'm coming like this also, I will give only 5 marks also. Okay? Because for asking the question, you get only 5. Okay? And for the surprise, I will take uh, a light chapter also. Hmm? Okay, let's see what will happen. Okay. So everyone turn on the camera. No turning off your camera, please. The rule for the game. Okay, Ezekiel, what's your team name? Hannah, Ezekiel, Jahoan, Jashwan, what's your team name? Jahoan, tell me your team name, please. You're the captain of your team.
Light of the world.
My God. You light on the world. Okay, next, Ezekiel, you're the team of captain. Ezekiel, your team captain. Come on, tell me your team name. Quickly, quickly.
What is the team, sir?
You and Hannah.
Let's Hannah say it.
Let Hannah say. Yes, Hannah.
Gave the name last time. Someone else.
Quickly tell me. Quickly tell me. Tell me, guys. Yeah, you're taking so much time in making.
Lights plus scale.
What?
Let it be light. Light. I'm very bad at it.
Light? What? Light Phoenix 10.
No, just light.
Okay, this one. We have light of the world and light of the light. So we have light, and we will ask from the chapter light. There is light and light, but in my room there is no light. Okay. So basically, I'll ask you question. Okay. Now, the first question is I'll ask from the Hannah team. Okay, Hannah and Ezekiel team. So the question is from Hannah. Hannah, what do you mean by the weak basis? And tell me the example of two. Tell me two example of weak basis.
Weak bases are those that do not that partially dissociate in water, and I don't remember any example.
Okay, so you want full marks, then you have to give it, or otherwise Ezekiel will help you.
Ezekiel.
Tell me. Ezekiel know this example of weak face? No. Okay, so do you want to pass? You want to pass or not? Hannah.
You have half answer, right?
Yeah, you give half answer, so you will get 5 marks for that. Okay, you want to pass? So Jahoan, you know the formula. If you know the formula, then you will get the 5 marks extra. Tell me, Jahoan and team.
Sorry, sir, could you repeat the question? Someone just
I'm
called.
saying
I couldn't hear.
you have to give me the example of weak base. It's a bonus mark. Weak base. Quickly. I will not wait. Otherwise, I will just. I will not stop for any. Quickly. 5, 4, 3, 2. No, you don't know. Okay. So NH4, ammonium hydroxide, is the example of weak base. Okay. Yes or no? Now, Jahoan and Jashron, your question. So I will ask question from Jashron. Jashron, what is a weak acid, and why? What, like? Give me some example of weak acid.
Sir,
Yes,
are we doing light or acid and basis, or are we doing both?
both. Come on, quickly, Jashron. What are the weak acids? Yeah, and give me one or any example of weak acid. 5. Otherwise, I will directly pass it. Okay, I'll not wait. 5,
Can I
4.
ask and say it?
Yeah, you can ask. Then you will get only 5 marks.
Weak acids are acids that only partially dissociate in water, and one example of weak acid is hydrochloric acid.
Hydrochloric acid is not weak acid. Hydrochloric acid is directly, yeah, so definition is correct. But hydrofluoric acid, yeah, perfect. So you will get only 5 marks because you got help. Okay, good. Both teams are at same mark. Now Ezekiel, tell me 5 points that acid are different from base. Tell me 5 points that acid are different from base. You can ask from help, otherwise I will directly pass. 5, 4, 3,
Sir,
2.
can like I don't.
Sorry?
Hannah can help.
Yeah, Hannah can help. Yeah.
Okay, acids are bases are better. Acids are corrosive to metals, and bases are slippery to the touch.
Differ. I mean, differ. We want differ. Like for example, if he is this, she is this. So like if bases are bitter, then acids are.
So,
Sorry.
acids are sour, bases are bitter.
Okay, first point.
Acids change blue litmus red, and bases change red litmus blue.
Hmm.
An example of acids are HCl acid, and an example of base is um, NaOH, sodium hydroxide.
Okay.
Um,
Okay.
and an acid furnishes hydronium ions, and base furnishes hydroxyl ions.
Okay. Last point. You can give any indicator of example also.
Indicator for both have an indicator.
Yeah. So like phenolphthalein with acid give this, and phenolphthalein with base give this.
Litmus paper with a red
Litmus
I
paper
think
done.
I already said that.
Litmus paper done. But you can take another indicator also, like phenolphthalein. Like acid react with phenolphthalein will give dash, and acid react with phenolphthalein. Sorry, base react with phenolphthalein give dash. So like this, you can make some more data.
Okay. In the with the base, onion paste vanishes, and with vanilla, it I don't know. So,
Okay, so you get 5 points. It's correct. With base, the or the onion paste, onion smell vanishes, but with acid it remains there. Okay, so it's correct. Okay, but you get 5 points because you asked. Now Jahoan. Jahoan. Okay. Now I will ask question from Jahoan. Just give me a second. Okay, Jahoan, calculate the pH. Okay, you have to calculate the pH. If 10 to the power minus 4 concentration of H plus ions, what is the pH? If 10 to the power minus 4 concentration is there, then what is the pH?
4, sir.
Correct. Very good. So Jahoan will get 10 points because it is down. Can you help? Good. Okay, now the question is from H for hen. Sorry. Yeah, H for henna. Correct. H for henna. Okay. Why does solution conduct electricity? Like acid and base conduct electricity.
the solutions, when they come in contact with water, they release the ions, H plus ions and OH minus ions. And because those ions are freely moving in the solution, they can conduct electricity from the negative to the positive.
Perfect. Perfect answer. 10 marks. Good. Now, just on. Just on. Why we do not store curd in the metal container? Why we do not store curd? Curd means dahi. Okay, curd in a metal container.
Because curd has lactic acid, and when an acid is metal, it falls and that is spoil it.
Okay, correct. Very good. Very good. Now, Ezekiel turn. Okay, Ezekiel, give me two example of acids found in food articles. Like it's found in food. Ezekiel,
So can you
give me
repeat the
the
question?
give me the acid which is found in food.
Like acids found in food.
Yeah, acid which are found in food or fruit or vegetable. Anything. It is eatable item, no? That found acid in it. I can give you one hint about lemon.
Citric acid.
And one is done. 5, 4.
Lactic acid.
Yeah, lactic acid. Correct. Good. Good. Perfect. 10 marks taken. Now I will ask from Jehovan. So, Jehovan, you give me the answer. Mm, wow, what is salt? How it is obtained? And give some example.
You will repeat it, sir?
What is salt? What is salt? How it is obtained? And give some example. Any salt, no problem in specific salt. I'm saying normal salt. What is salt? 5.
You mean the table salt?
Yeah, table salt. Any salt you can take. I'm not saying you have to take any table salt. You can take any salt. How it is obtained?
Okay, salt is remains part of the leftovers from a reaction between an acid and a base.
Yeah, perfect. Of equal strength and equal quantity. Yeah. Then what is the example of the?
One example of a salt is sodium chloride.
Perfect. Sodium chloride. T, light. Your team is lagging behind with 5 points. Come on, you have to do something. Okay. Now I will ask from Hannah. Hannah,
Ezekiel's turn.
you
Oh,
Ezekiel
sorry.
turn. Okay. Okay, Ezekiel turn. What
I
is
just gave citric as an example.
okay. Then Hannah. Hannah, what is bleaching? Write the chemical formula for the. I mean, tell me the chemical formula for the bleaching powder and give any two uses. I'm saying what is bleaching powder? What is the chemical formula for the bleaching powder? And you have to give two uses.
Bleaching powder is flaked lime plus
Chemical formula, I'm saying. I'm not saying any reaction. What is bleaching first? I want. What is bleaching powder? You can ask for help.
and
5, 4,
I'll get
3.
the uses first. It's used to whiten clothes and it's used as a cleaner. So
Okay.
the formula is NaOCl2.
No.
Okay, then pass.
So can you tell the question also?
I'm saying what is bleaching powder? Write the chemical formula and two uses. So two uses is done. So you have to tell me the chemical formula and what is the bleaching powder. 5, 4. Ezekiel, you can help if she is not able to give.
Is it something like CaOCI, something like that?
थोड़ा सा लेना. CaO?
CI?
No.
I think I got it. It's CaOCl2.
Okay. Correct. So you'll not get full marks. You will get 8 marks. Okay. I'll deduct 2 marks from you. Yeah. Correct. Okay. Now I will ask question from Jashron. Jashron, what is acid rain? What is acid rain? acid rain.
Sir, can you
थोड़ा सी
repeat?
बोल रहा है बहुत ज्यादा वो बच्चे को दे दो ये थोड़ा हाँ एसिड रेन ACID acid RAIN rain.
Acid rain is when the acidity in the rainwater drops to below 5.6 pH.
Correct. Correct. The pH is below 5.6 is basically acid. Correct. Okay. Good. Good. Now, okay, I'll ask question from Ezekiel. Distinguish between baking soda and baking powder. What's the difference between baking soda and baking powder?
Like the chemical, like the composition.
Yeah, no composition. You have to distinguish between what's the difference between baking soda and baking powder. I've got my lunch time. 5, 4.
So like, am I supposed to tell differences?
Yeah, differences between them. See on the camera. Five,
Hannah.
4. Sorry.
Baking
Yeah.
baking soda is treated with tartaric acid to form baking powder.
Hmm. Good. Whereas baking soda is mild basic. Mild. The acidity of baking soda is more as compared to baking powder. Yeah, correct. So 5 points. Okay, guys, you have to win. Okay, I'll ask very hard question from Jehoan. Very, very hard question. Okay. Jehoan, explain the process of crystallization and tell me the two salts which are formed from crystallization method. Explain the process of crystallization and tell me the two salts which are made with the help of crystallization. Five, 4, 3. You can ask for the help. Then I will stop. 2.
So you can tell the question again.
Explain the crystallization and tell me the two salts which are formed through the process of crystallization. 5, 4. You can explain crystallization also. If you know half of the answer, you can tell me the half of the answer. Shall I pass? I'm counting last countdown.
Fine, pass.
Pass. Total pass. Guys, you have now the ball is in your court. You have a chance to win. Anybody going to give the answer? Yes, you can tell.
Crystallization is when water is combined with the substance at the molecular level,
Mhm.
and baking soda is a salt.
No, baking soda is not there.
I don't know the example. Okay.
5, 4,
Do you know the example?
3.
Sir, is that the crystal form of sugar? Is that an example?
No. 3.
No. None.
Don't see from Google Chrome.
Not sugar.
I didn't never teach these things.
Yeah. I just guessed.
No, it's not guessing. You're reading.
No, no. I don't think so. No,
Okay.
I just guess no, sir. Then I quickly said no. I didn't even know it's part of an answer.
Okay. So you get answer +5 as your bonus mark. And here you got 0. Okay. So the answer is POP, plaster of Paris. Plaster of Paris formula is CaSO4 dot 1.5. No, sorry, not 1.5. It's 2H2. Not 2H2. Half H2O, sorry. Okay. And then another example is washing soda. Washing soda is um, sodium carbonate dot 10H2. These are the two examples.
I
Remember.
looked at the ceilings. Now I remember.
Mhm. That video which I taught you, know. Last question. Okay, let's see who will win the last question. Okay. It's from Hannah side. I will ask from Hannah. Tell me the types of solutions. 3 types of solutions. And each condition I want. There are 3 types of solution based on pH.
Acidic and neutral. So in the
Acidic.
acidic solution, the H plus ions are ions are less. In the neutral solution, they're both equal, and in the basic solution, the OH minus ions are more.
Okay, more than what? What's the value?
More than 7.
10 to the power minus 7 mole per liter. Okay. So you got answer as correct. So it's 10 marks. Now the main pressure is on Jashron. Okay. If she will give answer, might they win. If she will not give the answer, she pass it, then they may lose. Okay. The pressure is on Jashron. Let's see. Okay, Jashron. What will happen if what is the color of phenolphthalein? What is the color of phenolphthalein if strong base is react with weak acid? What will be the color of phenolphthalein in that case? If I will make a solution in which strong base is added to the weak acid. I'm repeating again. Strong base I'm adding to the weak acid. Then the new solution will form. The new solution form, if I will put a phenolphthalein indicator in it, then what will be the color of the phenolphthalein? Jashron, your question. You got the question, Jashron? No? Got the question? So I'm counting it. 5, 4.
Can I get Jahan's help?
Yeah, you can take the horn. 5, 4.
Pass.
Pass.
Yeah.
Think. I'm telling it to you again. Strong base, I'm adding it into the weak acid. And if I will add phenolphthalein indicator in it, then what will be the color of the solution? Hint, if I will give you a hint, um, I, the name of that, the color is like there's a capital of the Rajasthan, and it's called with that name.
Red.
Red. No. Yeah, pink. It's Pink City. Jaipur is the capital of Rajasthan, and it's also called as Pink City. Okay. So now because I give you hint, so I'll not give full marks. I'll give you 6 marks. Now let's calculate who is the winner. Okay, let's see. So 5, 5, 10, 20, 30, 30, 40, 50, and 58 marks right given. Now see how much they got. 10, 20, 30, 40, and 11. 51 marks they got. So the winner is Hannah and Ezekiel. Good work. Now in the coming days, I will bring the Bible quiz also. Let's see who will win. Okay. And it might be from deep question I will ask. Okay, so not now, in coming days. Okay. So I hope you enjoyed the class. Children, bye. Have a nice day. Signing off. Bye. Sayonara.
Bye.